Hi, my name's Andy Church. I run marketing here at OnPath. A couple of weeks ago, I got word of the Canadian anti-spam legislation going into effect this July. It raised a lot of questions in my mind, and over the last couple of weeks, I've noted peers of mine and other executives have been asking questions, giving their advice. It started to get a little conflicting. So what we decided to do is invite Norton Rose, one of Canada's leading top legal firms, to join us for a webinar to really demystify some of the new rules that are coming into place and making sure our clients and customers are moving forward in a way that keeps them compliant with the law and avoid hefty fines associated with being out of compliance with CASL. So I hope you'll join us. It'll be quite informative. As I mentioned, there'll be a lawyer partner from Norton Rose that will be there to answer any questions and walk through common questions, common pitfalls, and we'll probably do a second take because I'm just making it on the fly.
Okay.
So
No worries.
leave it on.
Okay.
I'll do a take two.
Okay. Yeah.
And we can edit it out.
Sure. Yeah.
But general, is that good? Or
Yeah, that's
was
fantastic.
Was I scary enough?
That's great. You were as soon as you said that. As soon as you said a second take, you were at 50 seconds.
Okay.
So
That was about right.
yeah, as long as it's under a minute.
Okay. Let's wait for that phone to stop ringing. Is it still recording?
It's still
Because
recording.
we can splice before
Yeah,
even upload.
exactly.
Hi, my name's Andy Church. I run marketing here at OnPath Systems. Back in December,
Where's
Hi, my name's Andy Church. I run marketing here at OnPath Systems. Several weeks ago, I got wind of the new Canadian anti-spam legislation coming into effect this July. And it sent a lot of questions in my mind, and I'm now starting to get emails from peers of mine and colleagues that are asking questions about how to be compliant. Some of the information was starting to get a little conflicting, so what we decided to do was invite Norton Rose, one of Canada's top legal firms, to come and join us for a webinar to answer some of the common questions, common implementation issues that are going to come up that all of us will need to think about as we move forward. It's a pretty important agenda given the size of some of the fines associated with the new anti-spamming laws. So I would encourage you to join us next week for the seminar, which I just made reference to.
no worries?
So last take.
Yeah.
But if you take wonder.
It's OnPath Business Solutions.
Is it
It said systems.
Oops.
Do you want to also
say
mention
OnPath.
the date, the launch, the law date,
Oh, July
July 1st?
Okay.
or maybe you mentioned that? I don't think you didn't mention it in this one, but you mentioned it
Okay.
in the other one. Okay, great. Whenever you're ready.
Hi, my name's Andy Church. I run marketing at OnPath Business Solutions. OnPath.
What's that?
I'll just say OnPath.
Just OnPath. I know. Don't worry, I do this all the time. I did one video for our blog post. I did like 15 takes.
I
Just
know.
cough for pizza.
This is my last one.
Yeah, of course.
Hi, my name's Andy Church. I run marketing here at OnPath. Several weeks ago, I got wind of the new Canadian anti-spam legislation that's coming into effect this July of 2014. As a marketer, I've actually been, God, I'm not off script. You got me thinking about the 18 takes.
Oh, shoot.
Okay.
No worries.
That's it.
Yeah.
Hi, my name's Andy Church. I run marketing here at OnPath. Several weeks ago, I got wind of the new Canadian anti-spam legislation that's coming into effect this July of 2014. Been getting some conflicting advice, conflicting information from peers of mine, from colleagues. So we thought it best that we invite Norton Rose, one of Canada's top leading legal firms, to join us for an upcoming webinar that will talk to the actual legislation coming into effect, what new processes you'll need to put in place, and ultimately answer some of the common questions that invariably you're going to have, as did I. I think it's important we all sit in on this session and get up to speed with the new laws, since the penalties associated with not being compliant with CASL are quite steep. So join us next week, listen into the session, ask the questions you have, and we'll do our best to help you and all of our clients demystify CASL and move forward to be fully compliant. Thanks.
That's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, that's great.
So we can